Hi, my name is Garrett Groenhouse, and I'm the product manager for the Dozer Group at TireCAD Industries. Today I'm going to walk you around the TCI 920 Dozer and talk about the features and benefits of this machine. Originally designed for forestry applications, the 920 is a rugged and powerful dozer weighing just over 16 tons or 36,000 pounds that is capable of handling the toughest jobs. With its heavy-duty 6-way blade, excellent visibility, proven components, and the power to push above its size class, the 920 is suitable for jobs both in and out of the forest. 920 Dozer is powered by a 4.5-liter 4-cylinder FPT engine. It makes 135 net horsepower or 168 maximum horsepower. The engine's after-treatment system does not require a diesel particulate filter or EGR. The 920 Dozer uses a 6-way power angle and tilt or PAT blade. The blade is available in 3 different sizes. Sizes include 3.2 meter or 10.5 foot, 3.6 meter or 11 foot, and 3.7 meter or 12 foot wide. Blade movements are quick thanks to a large hydraulic pump, and speeds are fully configurable in the machine program. The blade is mounted on a heavy-duty C-frame with a large pivot ball, which gives it added strength and durability. The pivot ball is sized as large as possible without sacrificing range of motion. The pivot ball and socket are bolt-on for easy replacement. The structure of the blade is designed to reduce stress in areas where other blades tend to crack. An integrated and boxed-in spill guard is included on the top of the blade. The blade structure, along with large lift and tilt cylinders, is designed to handle heavy abuse in applications like stump removal. Blade pitch is adjustable by adding or removing shims at the pitch bar mount. This method is simple and robust, and there is no turnbuckle to fail or fall apart. All blade hoses are guarded where possible and routed in a way that avoids potential damage. Next, we'll take a look inside the operator's cab. The ergonomically designed cab offers an exceptionally rugged, quiet, and comfortable workspace with excellent heating and cooling capacity. The heating and air conditioning unit uses a 4-stage filtration system to keep the air clean in dusty conditions. The recirculation filter is located in the roof to keep it up and away from dirt down low. The cab features a cup holder that is heated or cooled by the HVAC unit, along with a second cup holder, various storage compartments, and a rear shelf for storing larger items like a lunch pail. The rear seat pillars also include hooks for hanging items and are large enough to hang a hard hat. The large parallel action seat has many adjustments to suit any operator. The seat cushion moves independently of the seat backrest. The seat back reclines and is fully adjustable, with seat angle and seat extension adjustment, as well as lumbar support. The seat suspension is strong and durable and features weight adjustment and firmness control. Integrated heating and cooling in the seat keep the operator comfortable in any climate. The cab has 8 LED lights built into the roof, which provide optimal 360-degree lighting and great illumination of the blade and end bits. The 920 cab comes standard with polycarbonate on the doors and front and rear windows, screens for the side sliding glass windows, and limb risers. It meets the same ROPS, OPS, and FOPS safety standards and goes through the same testing as all TireCAD forestry machines. The 920 was designed to maximize operator visibility. The full-length cab door windows allow the operator to see the tracks and both sides of the blade where it contacts the ground, with clear visibility to the end bits. The sloping front engine enclosure provides excellent visibility to the front of the machine. The sweeps are aligned with the cab pillars to be out of the line of sight, and unlike competing dozers, the exhaust stack is located behind the cab, resulting in a completely clean hood. An integrated rear view camera is standard on the 920. The large 255mm or 10-inch control display shows vital machine parameters such as engine RPM, fuel and DEF levels, engine coolant and oil temperature, forward and reverse speed settings, and rear camera display. Custom ergonomically designed joystick handles and control pods are located on the armrests within easy reach of the operator. The right-hand joystick controls the blade movements. Moving the joystick forward and back lifts and lowers the blade. Moving the joystick left and right will control the blade tilt. The thumb wheel on the right joystick controls the blade angle, and the 2 buttons activate blade shake and blade float. The left-hand joystick controls machine travel. Pushing the joystick forward or reverse will engage a mechanical detent for the selected travel direction. The thumb wheel on the left joystick controls the speed, and forward and reverse speeds can be set independently. Moving the left-hand joystick left and right will steer the machine, while moving the joystick fully left or right into the extra resistance will turn the tracks in opposite directions, counter-rotating the machine. Steering and blade sensitivity and speed are also configurable in the Adjust menu. Steering can be adjusted between fine, normal, and quick, while each blade function can be set independently. The grille is a robust construction with no large openings that utilizes perforated plate to protect the heat exchangers from potential damage. The air conditioner condenser is mounted up front with the other heat exchangers as part of the standard cooling package. This avoids damage and debris buildup common with roof-mounted units. The chassis and track frames on the 920 are built forest-ready without the need for optional guarding or heavy-duty packages. On the underside of the chassis, there are strong 13mm or half-inch thick belly pans for easy service of internal components. The large middle belly doors can be lowered and rotated on swivel bolts, so they don't need to be removed. The heavy-duty oscillating track frames on the 920 Dozer have the same rugged construction as all Tirecat undercarriage components. Track shoes are single grouser style, and width options are 560mm or 22 inches, 600mm or 24 inches, and 760mm or 30 inches. The sealed and lubricated track chain is 190mm or 7.5-inch pitch, and optional chain guides and rock guards are available. The 920 Dozer uses a closed-loop drive system where dedicated variable piston pumps are used to drive the hydrostatic motors. The result is responsive and efficient drive that is capable of using full engine power to deliver high tractive effort. Blade functions are quick and efficient thanks to the large displacement load-sensing piston-style main pump. Every 920 is built with the valve section included for a rear attachment. The auxiliary hydraulics option includes tubes and brackets to route the hydraulics to the rear of the machine, making it ready to hook up any rear attachment. With the after-treatment components being located at the rear of the machine, the engine compartment is clean and uncluttered, making routine maintenance easier. Large enclosure doors provide excellent access to both sides of the engine and related components. The lower lift-out panels are easily removed for increased access when doing work in the engine compartment. Moving towards the rear of the machine, you'll see the large swing-out doors on either side. Opening the right-hand side door provides access to several routine maintenance items, such as the hydraulic return filters, the fuel filter water separator, the hydraulic oil sight level gauge, as well as the oil sampling valve are all located in this area. The machine is outfitted with an electronic oil fill pump, which pushes the oil through the hydraulic filters before entering the tank. This makes filling the machine with oil convenient and clean. Fill pump switch, disconnect fitting, and oil fill hose are located in this side compartment. The cab tilt pump is located here, and the pump handle is stored inside the door. The DEF supply module with integrated filter is located near the DEF tank. The DEF tank can be filled from here or through the small access panel in the rear of the door. The left-hand side door provides access to the SCR catalyst, the washer fluid reservoir for the rear wiper, the electrical fuse and relay box, and the electrical disconnect switch, which can also be accessed through the small panel in the rear of this door. The cab on the 920 tilts to two different positions. The partial tilt position is for making adjustments to the hydraulic pumps when personnel are required to sit in the cab. The full tilt position is used to service components in the belly of the machine. The mechanical lock automatically slides into place and must be secured before getting under the cab. With the cab tilted, there's easy access to the hydraulic pumps, the hydraulic oil tank, and all the hydraulic valves are conveniently mounted to the front of the hydraulic tank. Thick steel is used on exposed areas on the exterior of the machine, including the side doors and the fuel tank, which forms the rear of the machine. 920 Dozer is available with a number of rear attachment options. The 18-ton or 40,000-pound rated recovery winch includes a 4-roller fairlead, an integrated hitch, power reel in and out, and manual free spool. It's also available with auxiliary hydraulics, which allows the machine to run either the winch or another rear attachment. The rear retrieval hitch is available on its own or with a 2,000-pound counterweight. Both options are available with the auxiliary hydraulics option for additional attachments. The rear ripper attachment is a 2-barrel parallelogram design with 3 pockets and shanks. It was designed to deliver high pry-out and penetration forces and has a robust structural design. A choice of penetration or centerline teeth are available. I hope you enjoyed this walk around of the 920 Dozer. For more information on this or any other TCI product, contact your nearest dealer.